So now what we need to do is that we need to work on this menu. Here we have home and we have about us. But if you click on home, nothing is going to happen. And if you click on about us, nothing is going to happen either. So we need to work on these. We need to activate these buttons. To do that, first of all, we need to head on over to the KV file, and then in the KV file, we need to add event listeners to the buttons. Remember, we have this one line list item, and we have this one line list item. We need to add the on press event, and this on press event is going to execute a function when the user clicks on this home or this about us. A function will be executed and it will display the appropriate content. So here on press for the home page, what we want to do is that we want to do two things. First, we need to make reference to the root. We need to say root dot nav drawer. Remember the nav drawer, which is this nav drawer, and then we want to say nav drawer, and then we want to say dot set state, and then what we want to do is that we want to close the nav drawer, because if you click on here if you click on one of these buttons, nothing is gonna happen. And the first thing that we want to happen is that we want to close this navigation drawer. We want to close this menu once the user clicks on this button. The second step is that we need to display the appropriate content. So to display the appropriate content, first we need to say root, and then we need to say screen manager. We need to make reference to the screen manager, which is this screen manager. And then we want to call the current. We need to say current, and then the current is going to be equal to a specific page or the page that you want to display. Which page do you want to display upon clicking on the home? Upon clicking on the home page, we want to display the home screen. So we need to get the home. We need to make the current equal to the home screen. So the current screen is going to be equal to the home screen. So the current is going to be equal to the name of the page. So the name of the home page is home screen. Similarly, for the about us, we need to do the same. We need to say here on press, and on press we want to do on press. What we want to do is that we want to first we need to say root, and then dot nav drawer, and then dot set state, and then close. We want to close these. We want to close the navigation drawer. Second, we want to say root dot screen manager dot current, and then it's gonna be equal to the about page. So where is the about page? This is the about page. The about screen has a name of about screen. So we need to say root screen manager dot current is equal to about screen. And make sure that you leave here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me now save and run my application and show you what's gonna happen. So if I run my application, as you can see here, if I click on home, the drawer will be closed, the navigation drawer will be closed, and the home page will be displayed. If I click on about, the navigation drawer will be closed and the about page will be displayed.